Hey, Nico here. Today we're going to talk about succulents and what makes them so popular around the world, but also here in Lusaka. The lovely thing with succulent plants is that they are water-wise. We do not have to give them water regularly as you would with many of the other garden plants. They have evolved to store water, and that will help them to survive our long dry season here in Zambia. Another aspect is that they provide various different ranges of interest, be it from flower color, as we see here, or even lovely flowers on this cacti, to leaf color or stem color. You know, here with these echevarias, you will usually have a range of colors from the blues into the purples, and even into almost kind of whites or ivories that the leaves can give. You also might get color on the spines of some cacti, as we have here, or in the off the leaves off of some agave, as we have here, and in this variegated agave as well. But finally, they can also be propagated usually pretty easily, either through vegetative propagation, where we can essentially clone a plant, making more of them to spread around, or through seed, which most succulents and cacti are fairly easy from seed, although they do take a bit of time to grow and establish. So with this echevaria here, you can see how many stems this plant has produced. And for each of those, you could effectively break off a piece of it, plant that into a new container, root it up and get that one growing. And in time, it will get to a nice sized plant like this. Similarly, with something like this peanut cactus, you can also do that in separating out a little section of the cacti, planting it into a new container, and also eventually developing a nice big clump that we have here. Now, with other succulents, they will slowly increase vegetatively underground, and you won't see them growing until you see a new shoot pop up. So here we have a haworthia, I believe, and what we can see from the original plant here is we're getting all these little pups that are starting to grow. And if one wants, you can separate those out, just pop them out of the soil, replant it into a new container, and eventually grow that into a larger plant as we have this one here. So, you know, they are a fantastic grouping of plants. They are really rewarding to grow, both for their shape and form, as well as the color that they give. The fact that they don't need very much watering is such a bonus here in a dry climate like what we have in Zambia, and we should be growing more of them.